Here's a game dev opportunity you may not have thought of. If you haven't heard of Gorilla Tag, it's the #1 app on the Meta Quest store. And in 2024, Meta announced it made over $100 million in revenue. So let's break down why it's so popular and why it might be a big opportunity for you as a game dev. The core mechanic is simple. You move like a gorilla, using your palms to push yourself across the map in a basic game of tag. And that's it. No joysticks, no buttons, just movement. This game uses basic polygons, simple textures, and flat lighting. This is because of hardware constraints on the Meta Quest, which make high fidelity visuals impractical anyway. So there's no need to worry about gorgeous graphics. This lowers the bar for you as a solo indie dev. Your game can look good enough with minimal art polish, which allows you to shift your focus towards gameplay, community, and interaction design. Let's talk about the real reason for Gorilla Tag's success: the community. Huge open lobbies become virtual hangouts. What surprised me was how young the player base is. Most sources say the average age is between 7 and 14 years old, coming from Generation Alpha, which makes sense why this game flew under my radar. But just like how some of us had Nintendo, PlayStation, or Xbox growing up, Gen Alpha is growing up in VR. Another smart move is that this game is free to play and makes money from in-app purchases like skins and cosmetics. No paywalls, just cosmetic monetization. And it's clearly working. Here's where it gets interesting. That gorilla-style movement is now spawning an entire genre. Animal Company is #2 on the charts right now. It's Gorilla Tag movement with Lethal Company-style scavenging. Then there's Scary Baboon, which adds a horror element, and Yeeps, which adds building mechanics like Fortnite. And even this new game, I Am Cat, is building on the same core movement mechanic. It's a proven mechanic with tons of creative potential. But how hard is it to make? What's awesome is that the creator of Gorilla Tag released the movement source code for free. You'll still need to rig your own character, but there are plenty of free models and tutorials out there to help. I even tried it myself, and it's super promising. It didn't take much to get the basic movement and rig working. The next step, adding multiplayer and networking. So what do you think? Is this mechanic worth exploring? Would you try building a Gorilla Tag style game? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more game dev ideas and experiments like this, subscribe for more.